if you are someone who is feeling lost trying to build a business, and you once started with like big dreams that you felt that it is going to happen in your bones, but right now you are doubting yourself. You feel like, if that dream will happen or not. You are questioning things, and you see progress, some progress, but it is nowhere near what you expected, then this video is for you. So I'll start with saying trust the process. Because if it was easy, everybody would do it, right? Maybe 95%, not 98, 99% people, they quit before even like reaching, like 10% of their goals, before even putting in efforts. Like, a lot of people quit, but you are not one of them. You had dream for a reason. That dream was planted in your heart for a reason. And obviously, there are a lot of things that takes time. It takes time to learn that skill. If you talk about like marketing, you once like if you start a business, you will have to learn first of all like your core skill. Then you need to learn like how to market that, then how to package that, and how to deliver everything, the systems, the SOPs, and everything. There are a lot of things that people need to learn. And first 1 year or 2 years, obviously some people do it faster than other people. It's fine. The only thing you need to compare yourself with is yourself. Look like backwards and see how far you have come, how many things that you have learned, right? So it takes time, learns few things, and things are working out in your favor. Obviously you are becoming the person who has those things. You are becoming the person who has all the skills that needs to be to actually sustain that kind of success, I would say, or that dream of yours, right? You are in the becoming phase, you are in the middle. So trust the process, keep going, and be super super clear on like what you want. Otherwise, if you get distracted, then it will take like more longer to actually reach that goal. Okay, so I want you to do two things. First is create a folder named like room of accomplishments, and add every win, each, like it can be very little, small, big, any wins. Add it like in that folder. It can be like testimonials from your clients, the feedback and results and everything, your personal goals, even simplest goals. You can add it in that folder, and whenever you feel bad, you can open the folder and look at it, that how far you have come. So sometimes that we feel like we haven't done anything, and the main reason that it feels like that, because we are not tracking everything that we have achieved. So if you are thinking you don't have anything to add in that room of accomplishment folder, then I want you to based on your yearly goal, based on your quarterly goal, I want you to plan like weekly action plan. And in each and every week, whatever you will give yourself a like action plan, the tasks, and if you achieve, you can add that in your room of accomplishment folder, that I have achieved this, I done this, I did this. Okay, with time, the trophies on your wall, like room of the accomplishments, are going to increase, and there will be a lot more things that you will do, obviously. And the second one, document your journey. Even if you're like not achieving anything, even if you feel like that you have not done something, you have not achieved something, still document. And you don't have to do like any fancy editing or anything. You can just go for like minimal editing and simplest things. Just document your journey, and you can post it on like YouTube, Instagram, or like LinkedIn, anywhere you like. And 6 months down the line, you would be surprised how much you have grown, how many things that you have achieved. And it will be like obviously documented publicly, right? And your content pieces, it will be proof of everything that you have done. And if you like want to replicate it, then you have the things documented, that this is how you have grown, right? And it's a win-win situation for you. You will get your personal brand built based on your journey, based on the things that you have documented. And you will see the growth, and yeah, it will be a lot nicer basically. And you are doing great, you're following your heart, you're following your passion, you're following your dreams. A lot of people don't know, like they don't even know what they want, they don't even know what is their goal is. They just complain that they don't like their current situation, but they don't do anything to actually change it. First of all, like what you want, and you're working towards what you want, and this is like you're doing amazing, you're doing great. Okay, and remember, you are worthy of manifesting each and every desire of yours. So yeah, you are doing great, and trust the process basically. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you.